Today, I'm going to show you keyboard shortcuts that you need to know inside of Suno Studio so that you can make music faster and more efficiently. And I'm going to break these bad boys up into 3 categories: view, playback, and editing. Let's get started with the view. So the first one is just Control plus the scroll wheel on the mouse for zooming in and out. This can be really helpful for whenever you want to get some, you want to really get up in there. You want to know the secrets of the audio. You can really zoom in. And the next 4 keyboard shortcuts are just numbers. The number 1 brings up the create panel. So if you want to make something like a full-on instrumental or something that you want to drag into Suno Studio, you can do that. But why would you do that if you're in Suno Studio already? I don't know. Then you can hit 1 again and it's gone. The number 2 will bring up your library. There it is. You can just go through this shit. You can grab it. You can drag it right into Suno Studio. But I ain't gonna do that. No, sir. So let's hit 2 again to get rid of that. Now, this is the most annoying keyboard shortcut, and I will never use it. That is the number 3. This brings up your library, but longer. And then you hit 3 again, and it doesn't go away. It pisses me off. So just stay away from the number 3, in my opinion. But if you do get in this situation, you can go to the top left at the books thing right here and hit that, and it'll go away. Now you can hit the number 4 to bring up the details panel. And this pops up if you click one of these files. It goes from clip to track and gives you a bunch of different options for each track, which is nice. And next up, let's look at playback. First and foremost, the space bar for to play or to pause. Yeah, you never heard ambient electronic and pop punk together before, have you? It sounds awful. If you're tired of hearing my mouth, I created a free PDF that you can get in the link in the description that has all of these shortcuts. And you can do Shift-C to toggle the metronome on. Now when I press play, we'll hear the metronome. And Control-L will loop. I don't know why you would want to use this, but if you want to, you press Control-L and it's just, you got loop markers now. So you can click and drag these to be wherever you want it to loop. And this function can be really great if you have an enemy that you want to torture. You just force some headphones onto them and turn it up as loud as it can go, and then you loop a very small section. And then they will be sure to give you the information about where your real parents are. I've been watching a lot of Blacklist lately, okay? All right, and we also have Control F. I guess this could be good if you're recording a video. You hit Control F and it will follow the playhead. And last but not least, the most important section, audio editing. The one I use the most is Control E, and that will split. So wherever you have the mouse at and whatever you have clicked, it will split that audio file. If you wanted to delete everything before this part, you just hit Control E, and then you can click on this part of the file, and you can just backspace or delete button it away. And the next is duplicate, and this will work on an audio track, like the whole track, or an audio clip. So if we have a little clip right here and we have it selected, we hit Control D, it duplicates it to infinity. If you select an audio track by clicking it and you hit Control D, boop, 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 it duplicates them to infinity. But what if you didn't want all of those? What if you're like, that's too many audio tracks? Don't worry, my friend. Control Z. Undo, 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 undo. And I guess this isn't technically a keyboard shortcut, but it does come in handy. If you want to select multiple audio clips, you can click anywhere in this timeline, and then you can hold down the click, and whoop, you can select multiple things. If you wanted to get rid of all that, you just hit delete. Bam, it's gone. If there's anything else you'd like to know about Suno AI, let me know down in the comments, or I'm going to continue to sacrifice to the piss demon.